Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. Today I'm making Indian spinach and potatoes. This delicious recipe is quite different and unique as I have applied two cooking techniques at the same time so that flavors steep into one another like true soulmates. So please watch this video till end. Let's start making it. These are the ingredients I'm using today. You can find detailed recipe in description box as well. Heat up a kadhai or any other heavy bottom pan. Once it is hot, add mustard oil or any other vegetable oil. I found pungent taste of mustard oil provide kick to this dish. Once oil is hot and not smoking hot, put asafoetida followed by cumin seeds, chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute it about 30 seconds or till the time you can smell garlic mouth-watering aroma. Turn down the heat to medium and add potatoes and fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes or till the time outer layer of potato turns translucent. Then add chopped tomatoes followed by roughly chopped spinach, salt, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder and mix everything well. Now keep flame on medium to low only. Cover it and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir it couple of times in between. Once everything started to come off together and potatoes are cooked, crank up the heat and add kasuri methi. Mix it well so that all wet water evaporates at this stage. Turn off the heat and cover it for 15 minutes to settle down the flavors. For serving, take it out in a bowl and temper it with ghee and whole red chili. This will take it to another level. It is ambrosial, tangy, juicy and luscious. Enjoy it with your choice of naan, roti or parantha. Try this recipe and let me know your reviews. For the best result, do not forget to apply both techniques, roasting and steaming at the same time by adding tomatoes and spinach at the same time so that it has enough moisture and the curry will be drenched in those flavorful juices. If you love Indian spicy tangy food, then you must try this recipe. If you have any question, please let me know in comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.